Internet's inspection software works on multiple devices all at the same time. Let me show you. Right here on the screen is, let's say this is my laptop. And right here in my hand is my iPhone 16 and the software is on there. So I'm going to scroll down and I can look at my jobs and I can go to the dashboard and I can look at my analytics or my services or my team, right? So there's my dashboard and here's next week and here's a job that I'm going to do. And let me show you, this is the same job here, 789 North Carolina Avenue. So let's go into this job here. You click build to get to the inspection systems, and we're going to build the report. And right here is where I add comments. I could add a comment on my laptop, but here's what I'm going to do. Pretend like I'm at an inspection and I set my laptop on the kitchen counter and I take my phone and I go do the inspection. And here's how I do the inspection. I click build and I'm going to go to the roof system, right? And I'm going to add a comment. And let's say I just add that comment. Immediately it shows up on my laptop, right? So if I want to come back, I do all of the inspection stuff and I want to come back and I want to do something on my laptop in the kitchen, I can, or maybe my team member is working with me. So we're working and let me add a photo. Let's say I'm taking pictures of things while inspecting and I'll take a picture of that and it uploads and it's on my laptop, right? So imagine that multiple inspectors all at the same time working on the same software with different devices. It's immediate, and or anybody from your office can log in and help you write the inspection report using their device. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be next to each other, right? It just has to be on the internet and connected. So it's immediate synchronization while working on the same report on any number of devices for any number of inspectors or team members. That's amazing software.